Hi children, welcome back to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 7th standard science term 2 unit 4 lesson cell biologyயோட book evaluation பார்க்க போறோம். வீடியோக்குள்ள போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எங்களோட சேனலை subscribe பண்ணாதவங்க subscribe பண்ணிக்கோங்க. வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். யூனிட் 4 செல் பயாலஜி. செல் பயாலஜியில் உங்களுக்கு செல்னா என்ன, செல்லில் என்னென்ன ப்ரெசென்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, ஸோ அனிமல் செல், பிளான்ட் செல்லோட டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் என்ன, அதெல்லாம் தான் இந்த லெசனில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது ஃபுல்லாக கோ த்ரூ பண்ணி பாருங்கள். இந்த அனிமல் செல் அண்ட் பிளான்ட் செல்லோட டயக்ராம் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். இதையும் நீங்கள் ட்ரா பண்ணி ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இப்போ நம்ம புக் எவாலுவேஷனுக்கு போகலாம். Roman letter 1 is choose the correct answer. Basic unit of life is cell. I am the outermost layer of an animal cell. Who am I? That is cell membrane. Which part of the cell is called the brain of the cell? Nucleus. Centrioles help in cell division. There is a spelling mistake in this third answer. Centriole, okay. Then suitable term for various components of cell is cell organelle. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. The jelly-like substance present in the cell is called cytoplasm. I convert the sun's energy into food for the plant. Who am I? Chloroplast. Mature red blood cells do not contain a nucleus. Unicellular organism can only be seen under a microscope. Cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Roman letter 3, true or false? If false, give the correct statement. First one, animal cell have the cell wall. No, it is false. Only plant cell will have the cell wall. Salmonella is a unicellular bacteria. True. Cell membrane is fully permeable. No, it is selectively permeable. That is the right answer. So this is false. Only plant cell have chloroplast. That's true. Human stomach is an organ. True. Ribosomes are some organelles with the membrane. This is a wrong, false answer. Without membrane. Roman letter 4, match the following. Transporting, that is endoplasmic reticulum. So this is the answer, endoplasmic reticulum. And suicidal bag, lysosome. Control room, nucleus. Powerhouse, mitochondria. And food producer, chloroplast. Analog, bacteria, microorganism. Mango tree, macroorganism. Adipose, it is a tissue, eye, organ. Cell wall, plant cell. Centriole, animal cell. Chloroplast, photosynthesis. Mitochondria, respiration. Roman letter 6, choose the correct alternative for the following. That is whether assertion and reason is right. Okay. Tissue is a group of dissimilar cells. Muscles is made up of muscle cells. Yes, both assertion and reason both are true. So answer is A. Here, majority of cells cannot be seen directly with our naked eye because cells are microscopic. So both A and R are true. So this is also A is the answer. Roman letter 7, very short answer. What are the functions of cell wall in plant cell? Page number 61. See here, cell wall provides a framework for support and stability. So this was the function of the cell wall. Okay. Which organelle uses energy from sunlight to make starch? So answer is chloroplast, children. So you have to write with the sentence, chloroplast use energy from sunlight to make starch. Okay, so chloroplast organelle use energy from sunlight to make starch. This is the answer. Third question, what are the main things in nucleus? Answer is in page number 66. See here, I had underlined the answer. The main things are nuclear envelope, nucleolus and chromatin body. So these three words you have to write. Okay, nuclear envelope, nucleolus and chromatin body. These three things are present in the nucleus. What does cell membrane do? Children, I had written the answer here. It acts as a boundary of cell and protects it. Okay, this is the answer. So, cell membrane acts as a boundary of cell and protect the cell. Okay, this is the fourth answer. Why lysosome are known as scavenger of the cell? Page number 65. See here. The lysosome or the main digestive compartment of the cell. So it is the place where the cells get digested. Okay. So this lyses a cell. Hence they are called suicidal bag or scavenger of the cell. So it means suicidal bag or scavengers. Okay. So from here to here you want to make these corrections. இதெல்லாம் நீங்க correct பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. The lysosomes are the main digestive compartment of the cell. They lyse a cell and hence they are called suicidal bag or scavenger of the cell. Sixth question, teacher said a virus is not an organism. Do you agree with this statement or not? Explain why. Because a virus acts as a living organism within the body of the host and behaves like a non-living thing outside. So, inside the body of a host, inside the body of a living organism, it acts as a host. But it is a non-living thing outside. Okay. So, this is the answer you need to write for this question. Roman letter 8, give short answer. Why the cell is very important for us? Answer is in page number 60. See under the heading cell, you have to write these points, children. The cell is a basic structural and functional unit of the life. Cell is the building unit of the living organism. Types of cells are there to work together to perform its function. So cell is known as a basic unit of I. Here under the heading different types of cell, you have to write even these points, children. Our body is made up of many different kinds of cell. Each type of cell is specialized to perform a specific function. Depending on the function, cell has specific shape, size and may have some components which other type of cell do not have. So for this first question, you have to write from here to here 2 points and here to here you need to write, and from this heading from here to here. Okay, so these are the answer for the first question. Second one, distinguish between the different pairs, that is smooth ER and rough ER. Answer is in page number 66. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, this point you have to write this para, and for smooth endoplasmic reticulum you have to write this para. So this is the first distinguish. Next distinguish cell wall and cell membrane. The answer I had written here, you have to write 2 points for this. Cell wall, it is seen only in plant cell. So cell wall we can see only in plant cell and it is made of cellulose. Whereas cell membrane, it can be seen in plant cell and animal cell. It is made of proteins and lipids. Okay. Next distinguish chloroplast and mitochondria. In page number 62, see under the heading chloroplast, this point you have to write, and for mitochondria you have to write this point. So this is the answer for the third distinguish. Third question, write correct sequence from cell to organism. See here, first it is a cell, then tissue, then organ and organ system. So this is the sequence. So tissue, cell illandha tissue varudhu, then tissue forms organ and organ forms organ system. Write short note on nucleus. Page number 66, under the heading nucleus. Okay, here you can mark from here to here, the whole para you can mark for this, and the functions of the nucleus, these 2 functions can be written. Okay, so for fourth question, from here to here you need to mark. Fifth question, classify the following terms into cells, tissues, organs and write them in the tabular column. See children, I had written here you can see this and copy it. So எதெல்லாம் cell, tissue எது, organ எதுன்னு நீங்கள் எடுத்து எழுதணும். Okay. Next. On the lines given below, write about what you have learned from the activities done in this lesson. Let me tell you about some of the important things I have learned about the cell. First, I will start with. So, this place you have to write in the lesson. நீங்கள் செல்லை பற்றி என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டீங்கிறது நீங்கள் லைனாக எழுதணும். So, this you can do by yourself, children. And now, next Roman letter is give long answer. First one, write about 3 organelles in detail. Page number 64-65, there are many organelles. So mitochondria ஒரு organelle இருக்குது. So mitochondria இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, இதிலேருந்து நீங்கள் important points எடுத்து எழுதணும். Since it is a long answer, நீங்கள் இந்த unwanted எல்லாம் எடுத்துட்டு point wise எடுத்து எழுதிக்கோங்க. So mitochondria is an organelle. Then chloroplast is an organelle. It is a power producer. Then lysosome is also an organelle. Golgi is an Golgi complex, it is also an organelle. So இதில் நீங்கள் ஏதாவது 3 எடுத்து பாயிண்ட்ஸாக நீங்கள் எடுத்து நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Second one, in a situation, how to explain while your friend asks what is this, never see before. Now see here children, they had given a diagram here. Animal cell இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ இந்த அனிமல் செல்லை பற்றி நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணி எழுதணும். They had given the diagram. ஸோ செல் மெம்ப்ரெயின், செல் வால் அதெல்லாம் எடுத்து மைட்ரோகாண்ட்ரியா பற்றி எழுதணும். இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க இல்லையா, அந்த ஹெட்டிங்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம லெசனுக்குள்ளார இருக்குது, அதோட பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எடுத்து இதில் எழுதணும். ஓகே, அனிமல் செல்லில் இந்த பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. இந்த பார்ட்ஸை ஹெட்டிங்காக போட்டு நீங்கள் அதை பற்றி எழுதணும். திஸ் இஸ் த தேர்ட் லாங் ஆன்சர். Compare the plant cell and the animal cell and complete the illustration given below. Now see here, I had written here animal cell, nucleus, plant cell. So centriole, small vacuum and plasma membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, chloroplast, large vacuole. Okay, so cell wall. So இது நீங்கள் பார்த்து அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணிக்கலாம். Next, 10th Roman letter, that is higher order thinking question. Virus is called a cellular organism. Why? So I had written here some points. Okay. Virus is made up of outer protein coat and a nucleic acid. It lacks cell wall and cell membrane, organelles and cytoplasm. Therefore, a virus is described as cellular. So this is the answer. These 3 points you want to write. Okay. This is the answer for the higher order question thinking. Okay. Dear children, now we had completed unit 4 7th standard science book evaluation ஃபுல்லாக நம்ம கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். கண்டிப்பாக இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் அ வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ. ஹாவ் அ நைஸ் டே.